Please, dear God, help me pick out outfits for Paris. If you can't tell, I'm a little stressed. I've been writing down all of my ideas, but I needed to try them all on, so that's what we're going to do today. We looked it up, and it said that French people come dressed every single day, so we were trying to do the same. Here was one of my first walking around outfits. I don't know how I feel about the socks with the skirt, but I'm loving the striped shirt. It's feeling very French. I decided to try the shirt on with jeans instead, and I think I'm loving this way more. I'm going to be wearing a pea coat too because it's cold out, and I think this is going to serve what I want. This is another walking around outfit. I'm loving a pop of color right now, and I figured we needed to dress it up with a little bit of a headscarf. It's a much better open in the front too, and you can tell by my dancing I'm loving it way more. Definitely going with this. Okay, this is one of my favorite Amazon bodysuits, but it needs to be dressed up. Please tell me how. I need help. Now we're on to night outfits. Okay, this is a dinner fit. I love this outfit, except I'm not sure how brown and black go together. That's something I'm still struggling with, but I feel like because I have the black purse, it might be okay. But then I tried it on with a brown top, and I'm loving this monochrome look. I mean, are you kidding? But because we're only doing carry-ons, I'm trying to only bring one purse, and so I'm only bringing the black one. Can I do black with a whole brown outfit? I don't know. I'm trying to bring a lot of basics because we're hoping to do some shopping while we're there at the flea market. So these jeans are like my fave, and then a little white turtleneck. Same thing here, a little black skirt, black turtleneck, little brown boots, which I'm loving right now. Okay, this is my last outfit, and I don't know how I'm feeling about it. It's not really going with the inspo pick as much as I was hoping. I took off the vest and it's giving waitress, so send help how I can style all of this. We're trying not to stick out too much like Americans, so give us all the tips you got. Love you, bye.